Today I wanna talk about a revolution AI technology that is transforming the world all around us. Artificial AI, as its core, AI is about creating the machine that can think and adapt like human. Whether it is recognizing your face on your phone, recommending a movie on Netflix, or even powering self-driving car. AI is already a big part of our daily lives. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is ability to process and analyze vast amount of data fast, quicker, and more securely than human can. This is AI to help solve complex problems from medical diagnosis to predict climate change patterns, and even in the field of entertainment and art. But as powerful as AI is, it is alright important ethical question. Answer? How do we ensure AI is used responsibility? What happens when machines start making decisions that affect our life? These are issues that we as a society must address as AI continue to evolve. Yeah, in conclusion, AI is not just a tool. It is a glimpse into a future of technology, one that hold potential to improve our life, but also require careful thought and responsibility. Thank you, guys. See you in the